Amazing exhibition of the universe, at home. Presented by Jazil Qureshi. This is our Earth. There is sun on this side, therefore there is light here. And it is dark on this side because there is no sun here. This is our sun. This is an Earth moon. Moon day temperature is plus 200 degrees centigrade. And night temperature is minus 200 degrees centigrade. Approximately. This is our Sun family, which is also called Milky Way galaxy. This is the planet Mars. This is Mercury. It is a satellite that is going towards the Sun. 2 cars have been sent to Mars. This is an astronaut flying in space. There are many more Sun families in the universe just like our Sun family. This is in another planet. This is a sun in space. This is another Sun family. This is an asteroid. Many galaxies exist in the universe. The observable universe is 92 billion light-years in diameter. There are mountains of ice in the universe. They may be big or small. It is a black hole. Everything that passes near it goes into it. Far away, it is the white hole, from which the stuff that went into the black hole comes out. In the universe, at one place, there are 3 suns together. Big and huge asteroids are flying in space. This is another planet with an atmosphere and layers. This is the comet. It is shaped like a ball, and flies in space without a tail. When it approaches the sun, it forms a tail because its ice melts with the heat of the sun, and forms a tail. It contains dry ice, carbon dioxide, and its temperature is 82 degrees centigrade. It also contains 1 atom of carbon, and 4 atoms of hydrogen. Methane gas also exists in it. Space is much bigger than humans thought. This is our Sun family, which is also called Milky Way galaxy. As you can see, there are orbits around the Sun. Every planet has its own orbit. Our planet Earth also has an orbit. As I tell you earlier, there are ice mountains in space. Because of these mountains, the entire space is extremely cold, which is absolute zero temperature. By the way, there is absolute zero temperature in the whole space, but wherever there is sun, it will be very hot. On our Earth, summer and winter are created in the same way that when the Earth reaches the sun, it becomes hot, and we say that the summer season has arrived. And when it goes away from the sun, winter comes. The same is happening here. The end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.